Great morning everyone! Kung naghahanap ka ng property investment, dito ka na sa Westwind at Lancaster, New City. So of course, very suitable ito sa mga OFW and also work from home dahil meron tayong outdoor workspace of course. And of course, the nature walk na mismo ang maglakad sa tabi ng mga puno, meron tayo dyan. And of course, the healthy living, we have jogging paths, we have dedicated bike lanes, pet-friendly spaces, kiddie playground, outdoor exercise grounds, and of course, swimming pool. And in terms of convenient living, we also have retail raw. Meron tayong magandang clubhouse, meron tayong clubhouse reception, and of course, ang pinagmamalaki nating Alpresso dining area. So, napakaganda po dito sa Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Mamaya ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang one bedroom kung gaano ito kalaki. And of course, we have speed table, solar lights, rain pocket gardens and detention ponds, and drought-resistant softscape. So, we have sustainable living. And ito nga po pala, ganito kalaki ang ating 1BR. Si 1BR natin is total area 30.10 square meters. So, ganyan po kalaki ang one bedroom natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, eto siya, oh. Ang laki-laki. O, diba? We have the kitchen, pwedeng gawin ganito. And we have the toilet and bath. And of course, ayan. So, meron tayong naka-installed, ready to installed na po ang ating automatic washing machine. And ito ang bedroom natin sa 1BR. Napakalaki and pwede kayo maglagay pa dyan ng cabinet. So, napakalaki po ito. Kung naghahanap kayo ng napakagandang investment, dito ka na sa Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Salamat! I-message nyo lang kami para sa lahat ng detalye.